Hey everyone, it's here. The Club Couture transfer is here for this month and it is so freaking cute. I love vintage typewriters. I have one downstairs in my living room that I love. And everyone that comes over always comments on it. And now I have this transfer with a typewriter on it. And it is so cute. If you don't know what Club Couture is when you join our special club, you get a transfer every month with 3 paste singles. Not necessarily the colors that these are, but I just wanted to show you that you get these 3 paste singles. And this transfer. The paste singles are more than you will need to do this project, so you can always save it. All you do is snip off the corner, and when you're done, just fold it over, and you can put a piece of tape on it. Also, a bobby pin works great to keep them closed. That's usually what I do. And that comes to your house every month for $19.99. That's it, just $19.99, and it's free shipping. Oh my gosh, I completely lost my train of thought. When you sign up, like if you signed up for this month, you will not get billed until May for your first transfer. But you can do an add-on of either you can get this transfer for $19.99 or you can get our Club Couture Kickstart Kit. And what that is, you get a kit of stuff that you would need every month, you know, like to pull from. Like you get this surface here, which is our 9x12 Couture Gallery board. You get this surface here, which is our board and base. It's a 5x7. This comes out. You can turn it like this. You have both sides to chalk on, and it is reusable. You can chalk on the wood as well, but it is not necessarily reusable. So once you chalk on the wood, you've chalked on it. You can't wash it off. You also get a small squeegee. You get a multi-tool. You get a paste, which is in bright white. And excuse me, but I've used my board and erasers. I don't have a new set yet. But you get a 2-pack of board erasers, plus the 2 boards, like I said, for $69.99 US. Or if you're in Canada, it's $93.49. Now, when you first sign up is the only time you get to order this and get it on this deal. If you sign up in April and in July you decide, oh, I really want the kit, we can't sell you the kit. It's a one-time only thing. So make up your mind right at the beginning, because you're probably going to want to get the kit. The board erasers are really nice if like to clean your boards, because these boards are reusable. All you would do is spray it with water, give it a second, take the board eraser and wipe it right away. Okay? Also, when you are a member of Club Couture, it is a 3-month commitment right at the beginning for $19.99 a month, like I said. And after that, you're on a month-to-month basis. You can cancel at any time after your 3 months. Now, we also have sales every month for our Club Couture members. And right now, I'm going to show you my iPad because my printer was out of ink, so I didn't get to print anything. It says, make it a banner day. Create more for less. Club Couture subscribers get 50% off the retail price of select textile surfaces only in April. Our hanging banners, which is 15 by 23 inches, retail price is $19.99. Banner refills are just $9.99. So I mean, these are cheap. Our lumbar pillow is $14.99. Our square pillow is $18.99. So you are sometimes getting these cheaper than what I can buy them for. This is so cool. cool. The sale is really good, and it's a great time to stock up. With our banners, you can use ink or paste. It depends. If you're going to hang it up outside, you're going to want to use ink so you can heat set it. If it's just going to hang up on your wall, you can go ahead and use paste. It's not a big deal. Also, when you are a Club Couture member and you decide to place an order, normally as a customer, you would get your shipping at $6.95 flat rate, no matter the size of your order. But when you're in the club, it is $4.95 for shipping. I can't even believe that price. That's cheaper than I'm getting it. So Club Couture is the way to go. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and make this project today with you, and I'm going to do it the way that they set it out to do. And then this weekend, I am setting up my VIP club, and all of my subscribers who want to join Club Couture, I'm going to do the project another couple ways in my club, and just for my VIPs. So that is where you're going to want to be. So if you want to join the VIP club when I get it all done this weekend, pop a 1 below and say club, and I'll add you to the club. Okay? Also, that is where I'm going to be running my own deals, my own specials, and maybe have some bundles here and there that you can buy at a discounted rate. Okay? So we're going to set that off to the side. Okay, the colors that are coming with, I'm just going to use my normal paste jars. The paste singles, like I showed you earlier, is almond. So we have that here. Couture teal, which is one of my favorites. And my new favorite is ocean mist. Such a pretty color. But here we go. We're going to get started. Now, when you get it, you can see that these white lines here. I'm going to go ahead and cut on these white lines just so that I can separate out the transfer. Okay. We're going to start with the typewriter. We have to fuzz it up because, you know, our transfers are very, very sticky. And you want to pull it from the middle. Before I forget, I'm going to write on the back of this. You can tell one side is glossy, one side is more papery. The paper side is the back side. And you want to put the transfer on the glossy side. And because our transfers are so sticky, we fuzz them up and just get a little bit of fuzz on them so that we can take them off of the boards easier. I have an old typewriter downstairs that looks just like this, and my nephew, every time he comes over, he has to type on it. It's so funny. He was amazed over it because he's never really seen one before. All right. grab the small squeegee, put down some paste. I always tend to use too much paste, but that's okay. Because you can just push it right back into the jar. The paste is reusable. That's what's so nice about our company. The paste, once we scrape it off, we put it right back in the jar. It's reusable. The surface is reusable. The transfer is also reusable up to 8 to 12 times. That's what the company says. But I've had transfers last way longer. Okay, now I'm just going to scrape it off. Right back into the jar. All right. All right. Now we're just going to lift. You don't want to pull the whole thing from the corner. You want to work from the middle. And then just pull straight up. There we go. There's the typewriter. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness, I'm in love. And I'm just going to give it a quick dry so we can move on. Okay, I'm going to have to try to splice that together. My daughter called. Sorry about that. Okay, let's just move on. And we are going to use the high. Next, we'll fuzz that up. Okay, and for that we are going to use the almond. Okay, you know what, I said couture teal and I didn't mean couture teal. I meant, I'm sitting here looking at the picture going, wait a minute. All right, hold on. We're going to change one of the colors. Look at how nice that looks. All right. All right. Again, we're going to pull it straight up. You can do it top to bottom, side to side, however it's easiest. There we go. That's the second part. Now, let me grab I'm trying to make sure I grab the right color, but I'm not. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I know why I'm not seeing it. Okay, well, I'm sorry, but I don't have the color that it's calling for, but that's okay. We're going to use pink grapefruit for the last part, which is one of my other new colors I just got in. And this is one of our En Vogue colors, which means it's only here for the life of this catalog. After that, after July, it's going to be gone. So if you like it, you're going to want to grab it because it is a very pretty color. And I'll go ahead and show you the other ones too before I'm done today. Oh. All right. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Making it up as I go. That should be the theme for this video today. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just wipe this off. And that is it. It is done. But let me show you those other colors that are in our En Vogue colors. I had to change catalogs because my granddaughter thought that if this book was full of artwork, hers should be in it too. And she scribbled on that one. So we have Pink Grapefruit, which I showed you today, Citrus Splash, Spring Zing, Blue Jay, and Wisteria. I am in love with that pink grapefruit. It is so pretty. I'm going to have to pick up a couple more jars just so I can have it. We have a total of 36 colors. We also have our inks and our paste singles, which is here. This is our paste and our ink. So anything you are wanting to make, we have. I mean, the colors that they offer are just so pretty. This is our starter kit. You can see it. It is $99. And this month, I didn't even talk about this. This month, not only do you get this awesome kit, but you get a set of our tags and the transfer that goes with them for no additional money. So now April is a great month to join us. But I will be back maybe tonight, most likely tomorrow. No, definitely tomorrow and maybe tonight with another project. But I hope you guys are doing good. We are not going to talk about that C virus. And we are just going to have fun. Okay, so if you want to join the VIP club, like I said, pop a one down there, say club, and I will get you everything you need. All right? See ya.